What's up, guys? We're back here at the cocktail corner at Bar Ristorante with our man Hunter Coleman. So Hunter, what do you got for us?
First, I have one of my new favorites. This is the Tropical Gin and Tonic. First, you get a little ice, a little bit of West Indian orange bitters. This is the kind of a key little secret. You gotta flavor your ice. So dump it in there, give it a quick stir till the ice is coated in the bitters, so it'll kind of melt a little bit. Now the flavor's all in there. The etsu is a yuzu gin.
Japanese gin?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go about, we'll go 1.5 ounces of the yuzu. Chinola, this is a little secret. I love the stuff. It is a real passion fruit liqueur. It tastes just like you're taking a bite of a real passion fruit. We're gonna take about 3/4 of an ounce, or you can go full ounce if you want. I like a little bit more tropical in mine. 1/4 ounce lemon, 1/4 ounce of orange. All right, and now we grab a little bit of tonic. A little trick when you're doing stuff with soda, you don't want to stir it because that aerates it and that takes away your bubble. So you want to do is pull to the bottom and kind of lift. And then a little bit of garnish, just a quick little slice down. I like to get mine nice and thin so it sits really flat in a glass. Little trick, if you've got one piece that's thicker, you want to put that at the bottom of the glass, give a little press, and it slides right in.
Okay, all right, and we have ourselves a little tropical G&T.